So this is our polynomial function. We need to know the sketch functions that are already factored. It's already factored, but if it wasn't factored, you need to do a synthetic division. This x minus 2 term means that you have an x-intercept at positive 2. This means you are x-intercept in negative 1. This is an x-intercept negative 7. And our x in the front or the back, or anywhere really, it's an x-intercept at 0. Don't forget about that one. Now, what's particularly important to me is that some of them are square, cubic, and one have no exponent. So I'm going to intercept my x-axis in negative 1, positive 2, negative 7, and also 0. So if it's a square, it's going to intercept the x-axis as a U shape. If it's cubic, it's going to intercept the x-axis as a S shape. And if there's no exponent, it will pass just as a line. So my leading coefficient will be positive because there's no negatives in front of any of the axes. As you can see, there's no negative here, no, no, and no. So our leading coefficient means that we're going to down to the left and up to the right. As you can see, I mark the x-axis here. So here we have our x-axis, that is negative 7 cubic. So it's going to look like an S shape or a half of a parabola almost. But then I'm gonna invert to the other side and come back around. So I'm gonna have to stop somewhere and then come back at the axis negative 1. Negative 1 has no exponent, so it will be simple going straight through, as you can see. And it will have to go back at the axis 0, 0, right here. So it comes straight as well, as you can see. And then we have to come at the positive 2 axis. It's a square. So it's supposed to look like a U shape, and then you go up to finish the graph. Take a look at this. So in conclusion, it has some turning points, actually 4. We have our 4-axis intercept with the proper geometry or form at each one, like an S shape, U shape, as you can see right away. Straight to the exponent 1, S shape to the cubic, and the U shape for the square.